Across Africa, a staggering 30% of all food produced is wasted every year. But what if we could change that narrative? Watch what happens when we don't just see waste, but opportunity. In the Gambia, something truly revolutionary is happening. A pioneering company, Fortis Invicta, is turning agricultural waste into tangible wealth. Fruit peels become biomass briquettes that replace firewood. Crop residue transforms into renewable energy and powerful biofertilizers. Food waste gets converted into export-grade dried products. This isn't just about recycling. It's a complete circular economy hub where absolutely nothing goes to waste. And here's the best part. 70% of the jobs go to women and young people, creating dignified employment while actively fighting climate change. 11 integrated units work together in perfect synergy. Biochar kilns, solar dryers, and anaerobic digesters, all powered by the waste itself. What was once worthless agricultural waste is now fuel, food, soil enhancers, and building materials competing in global markets. This is how Africa transforms its biggest challenge into its greatest opportunity. This is the future, built today. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.